Vinapro, get relief from hemorrhoids, safe and fast. All sufferers of hemorrhoids know that it hurts to laugh, it hurts to cough, it hurts to even sit. All that no more. Vinapro has put together an all-natural twin pack to give you maximum relief from hemorrhoids on all levels, fast. Vinapro is a bestseller. It has become the most popular brand for hemorrhoid relief because it is a natural product and it is manufactured in the USA. With Vinapro, you get rid of the itching, you say goodbye to the pain, you stop the bleeding, you reduce the swelling, you get results in 5 days. It is clinically tested, it is highly effective, and it is 100% safe. Get yours now. You can get one free bottle with selected packages. What is Vinapro? Vinapro is a 2-step, all-natural formula that helps give you relief from hemorrhoids without any doctor's visits or embarrassing trips to the store. Step 1. The supplement. The Vinapro colon supplement uses a blend of all natural ingredients chosen for their ability to help improve colon health. Hemorrhoids can often be triggered by digestive problems and can lead to additional problems with the colon. Step 2. The spray. The Vinapro spray is a unique blend of natural ingredients long used by expert homeopaths to address symptoms related to hemorrhoids. 2 sprays under the tongue, twice a day, helps you get relief from hemorrhoids without messy creams or any uncomfortable application. You shouldn't be embarrassed. Do you suffer from hemorrhoids? You are not alone. Millions of Americans suffered from this uncomfortable and at times embarrassing condition. The very common condition known as hemorrhoids are painful, swollen veins in the lower portion of the rectum or anus. They usually occur during pregnancy and after bouts of constipation. The straining and pressure causes the veins in the anal area to become enlarged and tender. If you are like the millions of American hemorrhoid sufferers, when you suffer an outbreak, you can only think of one thing: relief. Vinapro Hemorrhoid Relief Homeopathic Formula is a proprietary formula of natural ingredients, chosen for their traditional use in homeopathic medicine, treating many of the symptoms associated with hemorrhoids. Ingredients chosen according to guidelines in the Materia Medica. Practitioners everywhere consider this Materia Medica a standard for clinical practice. It was originally published in 1927. Ingredients: Vinapro Hemorrhoid Homeopathic Formula. 1. Horse chestnut, Aesculus hippocastrinum. 2. Arnica, Arnica montana, also called leopard's bane. 3. Fluoride of lime, Calcarea florica. 4. St. Mary's thistle, Carduus marianus. 5. Witch hazel, Hamamelis virginiana. 6. Crameria almapato, Rutanhia. 7. Stone root, Collinsonia canadensis. 8. Muriatic acid, Muriaticum acidum. 9. 26% alcohol in purified water. To make an online search for Vinapro, the most effective search terms are Vinapro, Vinapro reviews, Vinapro scam, Vinapro side effects, Vinapro hemorrhoids treatment, does Vinapro work, where to buy Vinapro, buy Vinapro, Vinapro review. Click on this video, or on the links on this page, to be taken to vinapro.com, where you can take advantage of the free bottle offer. Noel, from xyzreviews.net.